I am back with the second half of the Google Docs demonstration. Now I'm back in my classroom. We went over number 3, which was the first Google Docs. Now we're going to go to number 4, which is Google Docs number 2. Now this is actually going to take you to kind of a writing sample. I went in there and changed it up a little bit. So when we look at the add-on, it's going to flag some misspelled words, some incorrect grammar, so you can kind of see how that add-on would help you in grading. So if you just click on the comments, it's going to take you to this comment paper, and you will have permission to edit it. It's going to make you your own copy of it, so we're all not editing the same document. The neatest thing about Google Docs that's a little bit different from Word is you can go edit their papers without editing on top of their words. This is a way where you can kind of make comments on the side of it, and then they can go back and check off those comments after they fix certain errors. For example, I'm going to scan this paper, and I want y'all to scan the paper that's in front of you and just look for grammar errors, spelling errors, capitalization, punctuation, any errors you can find. For example, the word heard is misspelled. So when I highlight it, if you will notice there's a little plus sign out to the side. So this is where you can type how to spell the word, you can type spelling error, you can make a comment however you want to. Now, a cool thing that I just learned a couple weeks ago at a conference is, say this was a group project, or if this was somebody's paper in particular, and you wanted to make sure that they knew you made a comment on their page. So after I've typed spelling error, I'm going to enter down, and I'm going to put a plus sign. Now look, everybody's emails pop up. So if I wanted to type, I'll type my own email. And then I'm going to click on my name. It says your plus mention will add people to the discussion and send them an email. So after you've commented and you've proofed their paper, you could even wait till the very end and add a comment at the end, so it sends them an email notification to know, hey, my teacher's gone in, she's proofed my paper, now I need to go back and make some changes. I had no clue you could do this, and now when they log in, they're going to have to go through these comments. There'll be little bubbles, and they can check off to say they've seen them, they fixed it, however you want them to do it. So after I've done the plus and the email address, I'm going to click comment, and now you see that it's over here. That's what it says. So when they log in order for you to know they've read the comment and they fixed the error, they can click resolve. And that means, okay, I've read it, I know what I'm doing, and I've fixed it. Another add-on that Google Docs has that's super beneficial for those writing teachers is a way they can proof their papers. So you don't have it installed. I have already installed it, and my favorite one so far has been GradeProof. So in order for you to find it, you would need to click Get Add-ons. And I bet you could scroll down and find it, or you could start searching for it at the top. I thought it was one of the top ones. Maybe not. So I would just go to the top and type grade. And scroll down, GradeProof. Here it is. It's kind of a reddish color. So since I already have it installed, it says manage, but yours should have a plus sign and say free. So if you want to go ahead and click on that blue plus sign, you can install it. It's going to take a little while to install it, but after you install it, let me show you what it can do. So I'm going to click on GradeProof, and I'm going to click Start. It's scanning the paper, and it is saying that there are 5 spelling errors, 3 grammar, 1 phrasing, and 7 eloquence. So if you want to click on View Suggestions, it's pulling it up in that editor screen. And it's going to go one by one. You can click on them. They're all color-coded. You could apply all the changes. This is even something that we could show the kids to help them start catching the errors, because when they spell something incorrectly, they have a tendency to consistently spell it incorrectly, or they're consistently making the same punctuation errors. So this is a way for them to kind of learn what they're doing wrong. So even though this is called grade proof and it's great on the teacher end, this is also something that might be beneficial for them to use as well. You can click apply changes, or you can click cancel. I'm just going to cancel out of it. And it's just popping up on the right-hand side. If you want to close out of grade proof, just like any other add-on, you're just going to click the X on the sidebar. Like I said previously, there's a whole bunch of different add-ons. A word cloud generator, there's templates, there's more diagrams. Those are just a couple that I have found that I find beneficial that I thought I would share with you guys. If you find any more that you'd like to share with the group, send me an email and I'll add it to our add-on list in Google Classroom.